Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are preparing for your machine learning exam and feeling confused about what to study, which questions are important, and how to revise the syllabus effectively, then this video is exactly for you. In today's session, I'll discuss machine learning important questions strictly based on syllabus, which I have already shortlisted after analyzing previous year question papers and exam patterns. So this video will help you with theory questions, numerical based questions, and comparison questions that are almost likely to appear in the exam. So make sure you watch the video till the end because I'll also tell you which questions are must attempt in the examination. So this is your syllabus unit wise. Unit number 1, SVM and instance-based learning. So SVM is very important topic for your examination point of view. And second one is probability basics. So if we are talking about the probability basics, you just learn about equivalent distance and hierarchical clustering methods. Unit number 3, semi-supervised learning and factor analysis. From this unit, you just prepare completely factor analysis and dimensionality reduction with PCA, principal component analysis. From this unit, unit number 4, that is learning model, you just learn about temporal difference and Q-learning with HMM, hidden Markov model. So we are just summarizing some kind of questions. We're just taking about this is your question bank of ML where I guess some major questions and effective queries related to these questions. We just go through it. Machine learning question bank. I have summarized 20 questions from unit number 1 to unit number 5th. And third one is I have summarized again 20 questions from unit number 1 to unit number 5th. You can see the define machine learning, compare learning versus programming, examine the importance of machine learning algorithms, and discussion about the major application of machine learning. As you can see, the basic analysis of semi-supervised learning and inductive machine learning. So at last, I have summarized some collection of ML based questions. Those are very important, almost 40 questions I have summarized. You can see that these are the questions: define linear regression and logistic regressions. Draw the architecture of single layer perceptions and explain with major components and how we can compute all the machine learning technologies. As you can see, these are the questions: how to calculate F1 score in any machine learning model and how to handle non-separable data to SVM with some major relevant formulas. So these are the marks: 4 marks, 2 marks, and 8 marks. There are different categories. And elaborate some kind of case studies on human disease prediction and some kind of calculations, or we can calculate the disease particularly and with some kind of ratio. This is another set of machine learning question bank where define cross validation. Question will come in terms of cross validation and describe KNN learning approach with major examples. If you are talking about in terms of 8 marks, you can see the elaboration with some kind of parameters. Elaborate the following parameters to check the quality of an image, MSE, mean square error, RMSE, root mean square error, PSNR, and SMI, structural mutual information. And this is the last set of 40 questions where I have already mentioned define the term support vector. That is very, very important. Discuss the major role of SVM in real-time applications and define the following term like vector space and define the bias term and PCA. Differentiate k-means clustering and k-middoid clustering. Define equivalent distance and equivalent distance and how does regression differ classification. So finally I have summarized all 40 questions. So if you just prepare these syllabus based important questions properly, you can confidently score well in your machine learning exam. So don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more exam focused content. So thanks for watching.